I really enjoyed the restoration of this very early ETA Quartz, so I thought, why not do it again? I think this watch was from a welder, because the crystal is just like a moon phase. So we do need a new crystal. Just look at the wear, at the sides, banging every single time. Oh wow. But that's just the crystal. Let's have a look on the inside. I think it's the first time I see surf stainless steel. And I'm a professional watchmaker for 12 years. I never encountered surf stainless steel. What will that mean?
Harold, is the coffee all right?
That hits the spot. I really do like the watch. It's big, it's bulky, really 70s. Love the shape. I just saw the original crown. Well, there's a lot of polishing that needs to be done. As you know by now, I don't do any work up front, so I don't know what to expect. Well, I think we've opened this case with the Rado stream. Look at this. It is an ETA 9181. Zenith, the CMOS, but we do expect quite some corrosion. The trimmer, only in the earlier quartz movements. Well, we'll see. I don't know anything about the history of the watch. Like I said, it was a gift from a client. There's some white corrosion. And here with these plates, it's underneath here, so I presume it comes out of the back. The crown is really stuck. Let's have a look. Really put in the effort to make a crystal look like this. That is many years of abuse. Be very careful not to place it like this in the ultrasonic bath, because the inner ring, you can see there's a print on it, and on an ultrasonic bath there is a chance you'll lose the print. So first take out the crystal. Luckily we see already there is a seal, and then we have to grind ourselves a new crystal. Maybe I'll make a video about that machine as well. But now we see, without the horrible abused crystal, that it is a beautiful dial. Straight graining. I would love to see, it is a bit yellowish. Usually that is under UV. The colors changed. So has been like this Wednesday. Oh, it is in Dutch. That's cool. Woensdag, Wednesday. If it's been like this for a very long time, then just Wednesday the 19th has discoloration, because the rest is under the dial. So I really would like to see the rest of the day and date ring. But I just now realize it is in Dutch. Very interesting. At the time, it was the most expensive wristwatch you can buy. Just think of all the upside of quartz. 100 times more accurate than the mechanical movements. Temperature, no problem. Especially at the time in advertisements, they really emphasized that magnetic, anti-magnetic is no problem for quartz. And it's a lovely anecdote. Especially in this time in watchmaking, all brands were really emphasizing the accuracy of their quartz movements. So one is a few seconds every month, and the other is a few seconds every year. And that completely stopped just around 1977. Maybe I told it before. I found it fascinating that in all promotional, the accuracy until 1977 was so important, but it stopped completely due to daylight saving time, because everybody was changing their hands twice a year, so the accuracy a few seconds every month, every year didn't mean anything if the client, the wearer of the watch, is changing the hands twice a year. The accuracy is gone. So then they changed the commercials and stuff. I still think that's fascinating. Look at this. Nice and evenly discoloration. And I love the Dutch day ring. Maandag, dinsdag, woensdag, donderdag, vrijdag, zaterdag, zondag. A lot of because we're Dutch. Well, our workshop is in Groot Schermer. Sounds like a throat disease, but lovely, lovely, lovely. I must say, I don't think I've seen the Dutch day disc on a Zenith from, well, first half of the 70s. Cheers everybody, so nice that you're joining. Well, even though it's quartz, if this one is restored, it would be simply a lovely watch to wear. I really don't want to lift this plate through the day disc, because it is plastic, really fragile. So if I lift from here the day ring, the teeth might break. So I try to wiggle here in between. If this, yeah, there we are. Well, I thought the hour wheel isn't touching the teeth of the dial, so if I just pull that, oh, it is rust and this is rust because of water damage, and this is probably a leaky battery. So there's a lot going on. Oh well. There. And luckily all teeth are still there. That is so nice. There has been a lot of moisture. Well, I'm going to remove this plate and then this ring will be secured. Because especially now with the Dutch day ring, the discoloration is the same of this particular date ring. So even though I can get another one, it would be lovely if these two stay together because of the same discoloration. I can remove more and more and more rust is visible. But first check the teeth of the date ring. Always easier if you got a contrasting color. It just seems very happy that seems to be okay. Well, next stop. This is going to present a problem. Rust in the electronics. Cannon pinion. It is stuck here on this pivot. I try to push it upwards, but it doesn't go too well. I don't want to stress the metal too much. And now you really can feel the friction because of the moisture and the rust.